Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights on the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the best Pitaya dragon fruit powder available right now. This is the organic dragon fruit powder by Micro Ingredients, and it's creating quite a buzz for all the right reasons. Now, what makes this dragon fruit powder stand out from the rest? Let's delve into its unique qualities. This product is 100% natural, freeze-dried from pink pitaya, ensuring that every scoop retains the vibrant color and potent flavor of fresh dragon fruit. It's USDA organic certified, vegan-friendly, and free from any additives or sugars. Perfect for health-conscious individuals looking to add a burst of flavor to their smoothies, drinks, or even baking recipes. The benefits of incorporating this powder into your diet are numerous. Beyond its exotic taste, dragon fruit is renowned for its rich antioxidants and essential vitamins, supporting immune health and overall well-being. Whether you're blending it into a morning smoothie or sprinkling it over yogurt, the versatility of this powder makes it a must-have in any kitchen. Sustainability is key, and Micro Ingredients ensures that their sourcing and production methods meet high standards. By choosing freeze-dried technology, they preserve the fruit's nutrients while minimizing environmental impact, a win-win for both health enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers. Now, let's get creative in the kitchen. From refreshing beverages to vibrant desserts, there's no limit to what you can create with dragon fruit powder. Imagine a bowl of pink pitaya-infused sorbet or colorful dragon fruit smoothie bowls. These recipes not only taste amazing but look stunning too, perfect for impressing guests or simply treating yourself. While we're on the topic of taste, let's hear from some of our viewers who've tried this product. Wrapping up, the organic dragon fruit powder by Micro Ingredients is more than just a dietary supplement. It's a gateway to exotic flavors and nutritional benefits packed into a convenient powder form. Whether you're a health enthusiast or a culinary adventurer, this product deserves a spot in your pantry. That's all for today's review. If you're interested in trying out this amazing dragon fruit powder yourself, check the description below for a link to where you can find it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring new flavors with Product Critique.